All right, so I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough of my coaching client portal. I'm not going to go too deep into like functionality and how it all works, but I just want you to be able to take a look and see how this might work for your own coaching business. So let's take a look at the portal overview. So you can see there's a picture here and three main sections. So we have onboarding, program, and offboarding. Then we have a message center. Your coaching sessions are listed right here. And then you have a task manager where you can list and assign all your tasks for each part of your program. So the onboarding, the different months, depending on how long your coaching program is, meetings, offboarding, and some other general overviews. So that is the main dashboard. Let's go into the different sections. So we have a start here section. You can see there is a little welcome section where you can explain the purpose of the portal, and they have like a starting point to get to know the portal and familiarize themselves with how it all works. You have a little onboarding checklist here. You can embed a video right here of you walking them through how to use the portal. There is a user guide and some general information that you can update depending on your own program. Then a quick overview how the program works and some FAQs that you can answer down here. Then you have a navigation up here so you can always easily go back to the home page. There's a contract page where you can outline some of the main key aspects of your contract. Then you can upload a PDF here of your own contract, and there's a little checklist for the client to check off, and then they can sign it and then upload it again. Then you have a payment page. So here you just outline your payment options, the different methods, the schedule, your policies, and you can also attach your receipts and your invoices. So that you can either do this directly in Notion or you can embed PDFs again. Then you have an intake questionnaire. So you might do this somewhere else, like in Google Forms, or maybe you have a Dosado or a Honeybook or whatever program you're using. So you could delete this or include a link here to the other form that you might be using, or you can ask your client to fill this out right here. So that's the intake form directly in Notion. Then for the program section, you have a course section. So that is if a course is part of your coaching program, you can add that here. So you can add an overview. Then you have a content overview here of each module, and you can break down each lessons for the module. And then down here, you can help your client kind of work through the course module by module, include your coaching sessions that correlate to each lesson or module. And then your client can kind of move this around and so that they can track their progress for each lesson and each of these modules. So you can do that for each module in here. And for your coaching, for the actual coaching, you have this page that lists your coaching schedule and all your sessions. You can add your call details, your different policies. So that is all on the coaching page. Then there is a notes and homework database for you. So you can fill out for each session, there's a session prep worksheet, session notes where you can take notes for each session, and then homework. So let's just open this as an example. You can add your link if you record your sessions, and then you can assign different homeworks for your client and add a due date. And all of this will be added and is connected to this task manager that I showed you here in the front. And then you have a resource page. So here you can share anything that might be useful for your client. Like I just divided it into books, apps and tools, podcasts, meditations, but you can share whatever you'd like here. Meal plans, links to habit trackers, PDFs, whatever you'd like. You can share here on the resource page and then organize it with different tags and different categories. So that is your resource page. And then when they have completed the program, they will move on to the offboarding page, which includes a recap. So that's just where you can thank them again, maybe outline everything they've learned. And then there is a checklist for them to complete. Then they have a reflection page. So that's what they can fill out to reflect on the program. And then you can also ask them to leave feedback for you. So there's a feedback page. And then finally you have next steps. So you can outline any further programs or any other products that you have so that they can continue working with you or maybe refer you to someone. You can outline that all here. And your referral program. So that is the next step page. And that concludes this little walkthrough of the coaching client portal. I hope this was helpful and you can kind of envision how this might look for your own coaching program.